Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here, and in this video, I am going to be answering the question, what is Cardly really selling, right? This is not going to be a Cardly review. It's not even going to be a Cardly tutorial. It's just for more putting things into perspective and what Cardly.me is really selling. So if you have a business, network marketing, direct selling, affiliate marketing, watch this video through to the end. If you want to take advantage, create your very own free Cardly account. Then if you're watching this video on YouTube, when the video is over, go to my channel, click on my channel links, and you'll find the link for Cardly where you could create your free account. If you're watching this as a result of an email that you got, go back to that email, scroll to the bottom, click on the link where you can create your free Cardly account. So, what is Cardly really selling? Well, here's what I like to use as an analogy. Whether you create YouTube videos or not, right? If you're not a YouTube content creator, what do you think the number one goal of a YouTube content creator is going to be? The number one goal. Now, you might be looking at this video and you may be saying, well, their goal is to make money. Not initially, right? The money comes from what their number one goal is. And the number one goal is to build a relationship with you, their audience, and their viewers, right? So here's the problem. If I were to ask you right now, let's say you were a YouTube content creator, and I said, how many YouTube videos can you realistically do every day? Now, the answer is probably going to be, I don't know, maybe 1, 2, or 3. Maybe you're one of those people that they love doing YouTube shorts or, TikTok reels or Instagram reels. Well, how many can you realistically do every day? Maybe 3 to 5. But if I were to ask you, how many free Cardlys can you give out in a day, which is going to save you time and creates enough curiosity where it draws people into you? Realistically speaking, you can give out 10, 20 of these a day. If you're full-time, there's no reason you can't give out 15 or 20 of these a day online. If you are part-time, you can easily give out 10. Why is it attractive? Number one, it's free. People don't have to do anything other than get it, and in literally 1 minute, they can set up their own account, and then they can customize it. So we're building relationships. Cardly is your number one tool for relationship building with an audience that does not know you. I hope you understand what it is that I'm saying. So what if you're buying traffic? What if you're buying like solo ads or cost per click campaigns or Facebook ads? I personally would put my Cardly in that sales video. If there's a business video they could watch to tell them about an opportunity, great. I would put this in my contact reach me info somewhere on that sales page. So guess what? I'm personally branded. When they click on this, they're going to learn, who is this guy Troy, right? How does he help people make money? What AI tools does he have for business that I could benefit from? How can I get USA free leads? And how do I contact this person, right? Maybe I want to get on a Zoom chat with them. Maybe I want to connect with them on social media where, they've got several different ways to reach me on social media. Oh, I like this. That's kind of cool, right? So maybe they want to get with me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, right? My blog, right? I have a lot of possibilities in here. Or maybe they just want to simply call or text me. People are buying you. Now, the very first step is this right here. You're not going to find a better way, in my honest opinion, to draw the right type of people into your circle. What's the next step? The next step is getting to know them better. However it is that they connect with you and reach out to you, that gives you an opportunity for them to get to know you better. Look, I'm hoping this video made sense. If you got some value from it, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I already shared with you how you can get your free Cardly account. Reach out to me in any one of these methods if you have questions or need any continued help. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.